Good morning, class, the receiving school students and teachers.
Good morning, Mrs. Watangas.
How are you all this morning?
We are very well, thank you. And how are you this morning?
Very well, just like you all. Thank you. You may be seated. Right, teachers, resources, we still have the same resources. You can see on the screen, so you can use those resources to help you in your teaching of making a living. Now, strengths, Justin, quickly, just let us know what our strengths are. There are two strengths.
Managing resources, community development.
Very good. Managing resources and community development. Violet, please quickly the first three substrends. The first three substrends of the strand managing resources.
Land and water, environment, and crops and animal management.
Very good. Thank you. Tanabi, the two substrands for the strand community development.
Knowing community and communication.
Very good. Thank you. Okay, so those are our substrands. We had two of our friends. They have given us the substrands for those two strands. Our outcomes, if I can have Anna to tell me quickly those 5 outcomes. The 5 outcomes of those 5 strands.
7.1.1, 7.1.2, 7.1.3, 7.3.1, 7.3.2.
Very good, thank you. So those are the outcomes. Now let's quickly look back to our previous lesson. We've looked at problems, the causes and effects, and also how we can help to solve these problems. And we found out that not all problems are natural. There are some which are there are some which are, not all problems are natural. Some are
man-made.
good. Some are created by men. So if men create problems, what should be done about those problems if men create them? Rico, if men create those problems, then what should be done about those problems?
Solve them.
Yeah, very good. Men should solve them. If problems are created by men, by you and I, we must also know how to solve those problems. Now you were given homework. Brendan, if you can tell us what your homework was. In the previous lesson you were given homework.
Identify the importance of trees.
Okay, try to identify the importance of trees. Why trees are important? Okay, so here we have a topic which is importance of trees. Okay, let's see how many you came up with. You were given homework to do. Yes, Tulanga, what did you come up with? One of the importance of trees?
It's oxygen, shade, fire.
Shade. Okay, gives us shade, provides shade, good. Yes, Raymond?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Oxygen. Good, Messi.
Buildings.
Helps us to build, okay? Helps with building houses. Jennifer?
Food.
Food. Food. Food. Brendan?
Firewood.
Firewood. Firewood, yes. Quarry.
Transport. Example, canoe.
Canoes, okay? Means of transport, example, canoe. Good, any more? Two? Car out?
To beautify the place.
Beautification. For beautification of the environment. Yes, Elisa? Okay, let's have that the last. There are so many, but we just have those few.
Fertilizer.
Fertilizers, we use them as as fertilizers. Now, there are so many things that trees help us with, and these are some of them. And these are the reasons why trees are what? Important. These are all the reasons why trees are important. Is it only to us or to other things as well? Okay, which other things, Paul D? We say trees are not only important to humans, they're also important to other things. What are those other things?
Animals.
Animals, okay? Animals and even plants themselves. Right, so we have an example of a tree which is an apple tree. Now, topic activity. There are about 2 topic activities there. If I can have Teresa, if you can read for us the first topic activity. Teresa, the first topic activity.
What are the trees?
What are trees? What are trees? The next topic activity, Harold. Next topic activity, Harold.
What are their importance?
Good. What are trees and what are their importance? Now, we've already brainstormed on the importance of trees. How trees are important to you and I and even animals. And also, what are trees? Can somebody tell me what you think of what trees are? What do you think trees are? Okay, Brendan.
Plants.
Trees are plants. Okay, anybody else has another answer besides Brendan's? Trees are plants. Good. What else? Okay, Messi wants to try. Trees are plants.
Trees are living things.
Trees are plants. Trees are living things. Very good. Any more? Yes, Shane?
Trees are natural resources.
They are part of the natural resources. Very good. Okay. What are trees? What are trees? Now, the students in the receiving schools and class, I'd like you to get what trees are, the definition of trees in your Making a Living workbooks. And I will have William to read the definition of trees. Class and receiving school students, if you can get the definition of trees copied into your workbooks.
Largest of all plants with a woody trunk, often having branches and leaves, yet some distance from the ground and living more than 2 years, usually for many years.
Very good. So that is the definition of trees. What trees are. Front of your Making a Living exercise books. That's definition, but because we have so much there, I'd like you class to have that written in front, not the back where you normally write your definitions. Now we will be next looking at the next question, which is what are the importance of trees? Now, we've already done a brainstorm on that, and you have given me a lot of answers. So as we go through the importance of trees, then if you have given me one of the answers there, you can check to see whether your answer is one of those importance of trees. Importance of trees. Once again, to the class and the receiving school students, you are to have those importance also copied into your exercise books. Have the words importance of trees written, and then you write the first 4 importance into your exercise books. Now, while we are doing that, if I can have Hayano to read for us the first importance of trees.
Provides food for humans and animals.
Provides food for humans and animals. Good. Nanadai, the second importance, please.
Home to many plants and animals.
Good. Home to many plants and animals. 3, if I can have Gail. Gail, read for us the third importance of trees.
Source of many products used by people.
Source of many products used by people. Now, what does that mean? It says source of many products used by people. Anybody? Yeah, it says source of many products used by people. Now, it actually means from trees, there are so many things that are made. There are so many things that are made from trees. And you know them all. Later on, we will come to that as one of your activities. Okay, if I can have, okay, Shane, read for us the 4th importance of trees.
Place for leisure activities.
Place for leisure activities. Can somebody give me an example of a leisure activity? The 4th importance says place of leisure activities. Can I have someone to tell me an example of leisure activities? It's not actually the tree it's talking about, but don't forget, trees make up the forest, okay? Forest is made up of trees. You may be wondering, leisure activities, are we going to have it up on top of the trees? Okay, let's have Carol.
Camping or bushwalking.
Very good. Camping or bush walking, picnics, and many others. So those are our first 4 importance of trees. We will look at the next 4. And once again, I'd like you to continue copying the next 4 importance of trees. So we have about 8 importance of trees. Students in the receiving schools, you continue from where you stop with the first 4. Tassi, if you can read for us the 5th importance of trees.
Support and protect the soil.
Support and protect the soil. Good. Helen, the 6th one, please. The 6th one.
Conserve water.
Okay, one of the importance, it conserves water. The 7th, Justin, please. 7th importance, Justin.
Stores water in the ground.
Very good. Trees help to store water in the ground. And the last one, Rachel. Last one, the 8th importance.
Preserve the balance of gases in the atmosphere.
Good. Preserve the balance of gases in the atmosphere. Now, there are about 2 gases, okay, 2 gases that trees help to preserve. Can someone tell me what those gases are? Okay, Paul, you give me the first one. Okay, there are 2 gases that trees help to preserve. What's the first one?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Good. Oxygen is one. Oops. Oxygen. What is the next one? Violet, what's the next one? Oxygen and
Carbon dioxide.
carbon dioxide. Okay, these are the 2 gases that trees help to preserve. And these 2 processes are very important because if we don't have these 2 processes, we cannot live. Humans, we need the trees to help to preserve these 2 gases, and in doing so, they enable us to live. Now we have a lesson activity on the importance of trees, and I'd like groups 1 and 2 to read for us the first activity.
In groups, discuss the importance of trees.
Okay, so in groups you are going to discuss the importance of trees once again. There are 8 importance. So in your groups you quickly discuss. That should take you about 5 minutes. And then you go on to the second activity, which I'll have groups 3 and 4 to read. Okay, the second one. The second activity, you are to do that activity individually, and to do that activity, you are to write the names of a product made from 4 different parts of the tree. Now, this is a web, and that is how your web will look like. That's the web. We have the tree in the center, and we have the 4 different parts of the plant. Okay? I missed out roots, but you can also have roots on. And you write down one product, something that is made from all these different parts of the tree. So from leaves, which product is made from leaves? Branches. Okay, we cannot say only products that are made in the factory, but what we use them for. Okay, trunk and fruit. And we'll all have about 15 minutes or 10 minutes to do that activity. Discuss the importance together quickly. Then individually, you have your web done. Can you go around with the papers? And please, I want the leftovers back. 1%. There, 3. Let's see who finishes his or hers first. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Any leftovers? Thank you. Let's see who finished. You finished already? What? You see the web I made, something like a tree, and the different parts of the tree, and then write down a product that is made from that part of the tree. It cannot be only products that are made. What we use them for, okay? Can be product or what we use them for. Now it can be a product or what we use them for, like leaves. There are some products made from leaves, but we also use the leaves as what? Yeah, fertilizer, food, and all this. Okay? Now it cannot be only products. It can be what we use them for. Some of them, they are made into something, and some we use them directly. Example, the leaves are food too. We eat them. Okay. Okay, I said products, but we don't use them all as products. There are some parts that we use them directly. Yeah. We get them off the tree and we use them directly. And other times they are made into something. Now with the water products, we mustn't forget that there are some that are made into something, and some we get them directly. Yeah, we use them directly, meaning like the leaves. We use them as food. See all those people just pick them off the tree and they are used as food. But also leaves are made into something else too. Okay. Okay, 5 minutes. 5 minutes for us left. Finish. Get your last one done and get ready to present it. Branches. Oh yeah, okay, good. 1 finished, 2 finished. Thank you. I'll have the 2 of you. Shane, Gail, they finished. Get ready. You will be presenting yours. Who else? Let's see. What? Yeah? Or food. There are some roots which are used as food by other people. But you can write a medicine. Get the last one done. Okay, good. Okay, I'll have Shane, Gail, Rachel to quickly present what they have got done with their products. Okay, if I can have Shane first. Come over here so it gets you properly.
For our trunk, we make canoe from it. Branches, we use it as firewood, and for our roots, I listed down oil. In our home province, we use the certain oil from a tree to put it on our hair. Thank you very much.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Good. Let's have Gail. Gail. Okay, stand over here.
For fruits, I listed down food. Roots is you get medicine out of the roots. Leaves, you get fertilizer. Trunk is you can make plenty of stuff, but I got canoe. And branches, you get firewood out of it. Thank you.
Okay, good. Thank you, Gail. Rachel, please. Rachel. Let's have yours up. Stand this side.
For the fruit, they use it as juice, and leaves, fertilizer, roots, medicine, branches, firewood, and trunk, timber.
Very good. Thank you. So you can see that trees are very important because there are so many things that we get out of trees, so many things. And every part of the tree is used. The branches, the leaves, the trunk, the roots, and the fruits. Now, I will be collecting the rest of you your papers, so I'd like you to have your names on them. And receiving school teachers, if you can also do the same. You have few to present, but collect the rest of the students' papers in so you can see what they have done. Now we have homework, and I'd like the students to copy that homework into your exercise book, or else you can just see what it is and do that. Homework, Angeline, if you can read for us what our homework is. What our homework is going to be passed down to. What is our homework? What is our homework?
Draw and label different parts of a tree.
Very good. You are to draw and label different parts of a tree. So your heading for that homework, you will write parts of a tree. And then you draw the tree and label different parts of the tree. Now, next lesson activity, Elizabeth, if you can read that, please. Next lesson activity. Okay, let's have Linda to read it for us.
Importance of planning and design.
Importance of planning and designing. Now, besides your homework, you will also do another homework on finding out what planning and designing are. Definition for planning and also designing. Raymond, if you can give us one of the importance of trees. We looked at 8. Give me one of the importance of trees.
Shade.
Good. Adrian, another one. Importance of trees. We looked at 8. Give me one.
Home to many plants and animals.
Good. Home to many plants and animals. Trisha, one please from you.
Food.
Food. Doveri, one from you.
Buildings.
Very good. Thank you. Okay. Our guessing time now. Let's have Patricia. Patricia, what's our key phrase? What's our key phrase for this lesson?
Importance of trees.
Importance of trees. So good, thank you. Our key phrase for this lesson is importance of trees. Now, once again, this is to the class and the receiving schools. Teachers, please ensure that whatever notes are to be copied by students, you check, collect their books in and check to see that those notes are copied. It's important that they have to write down whatever is expected of them to get written into their books. And with that, good morning, class, the receiving school students and teachers.
Receiving teachers, here's your reference for the next lesson: strand, substrand, outcome, topic, materials, and reference.